Hey guys, we're going to be making this candy train scene today. It's really involved, but it's so cool at the end. Watch close as it comes together. To get started, we're going to trace the outline of the locomotive using icing and string licorice. Next, we're going to create the smokestack with icing and blue string licorice. Next, we're going to fill in the large areas of the train using rainbow candies. Next, we're going to fill in the back of the train using yellow candies and red candies. Using the yellow Laffy Taffy, we will create the wheels and the headlight of the train. Just work it, make sure it's pliable, and then roll it and shape it into the size that you want for each piece of the train. Before placing the headlight onto the engine, we're going to outline it with a chocolate caramel. Next, we're going to decorate the front of the engine around the headlight area using cinnamon candies and gummy accents. Now, to connect the wheels, we need to create connecting rods using our chocolate caramels that we already rolled out from the headlamp. Now we'll finish creating the front of the engine decoration using a variety of different candies and icing. Hey, if you have craft tweezers or kitchen tweezers, they may come in handy for some of the small details in this kit. All right, now we're going to create the boxcars behind the locomotive. So we'll trace the boxcars using icing, and then we'll put the string licorice on the outside of each boxcar and fill it in with a variety of gummy fish and blue gummy bears. Using the yellow taffy, we're also going to create the little wheels for the boxcars. It works well if you roll them in a ball and then just smash the ball to create the wheel. And what good is a train without some train tracks? So using caramels, we are going to warm them up in your hands. This may take a few minutes, but just have patience. Warm them up in your hands, make them pliable, and then we're going to roll them out to create the train tracks on this kit. Now is the fun part, creating the smoke with using little marshmallows. And this is definitely where it's handy to have the food tweezers or craft tweezers. So next we're going to just fill in the sky and the land using the licorice belts in your kit. All right, our final step is to just accent the grass with some butterflies, some flowers, and some gummy fruits. Have fun with this and just place them wherever you would like. And that, my friends, is how you make a candy train using nothing but icing, candy, and your creativity. 100% candy train. Who knew? Please don't forget to subscribe to follow along with the other kits that we make. And check out candypicassoart.com, where you can buy your own kits and have a lot of fun and a little bit of sweetness. Bye.